got some Visqueen under the cabin. We're gonna throw down some stone and we're gonna get the base of this cabin set today. I think we got her figured out. This is a big deal to have this far. I'm pretty happy. All right, well, it's the next day. It's kind of late because we were up kind of late, so slept in a little this morning, and it rained last night, so we went off and caused a little trouble.
You look like you're 9 months pregnant. Sorry.
And slept in a little this morning, try and let the cabin drip dry. Was literally running off the deck yesterday. So we're gonna dig a hole for the water tank, cover this in plastic, screw it together, and I think that'll be it for this trip. It's going well so far, getting all the things done. I think you can hook it. Come till you bump it. Now come out. Right there. Okay, set her down. Does it look flush on the top? Oh yeah. Huge excavator guy. Let me get under the house, out of the way, before Gavin runs me over and drops a bucket on my head.
Small one.
In what?
The water tank.
It has a hole in it?
No, there's no hole. You want this box up on the deck.
I see that. How many holes did we put in it?
Only a couple of little patches.
They're fine. Caulk it. You need to dig a hole from the end of that trench to about where the blade was stuck there.
Basically where you're at.
Yeah.
Right there is where you need to be to dig that hole. Or at least start getting this outer side of it. Yes, I don't know. You have reception down here.
You're as important as Brad.
What's
You
going
get
on?
reception.
I guess. Yeah.
Bring me that level. Jump in here.
No, it's fine. Big enough?
It might not be. How big is that tank?
8 foot.
It
sliding
Hold
out.
on, I better get out of the hole.
Maybe. It'll be fun, but
I feel like you got to get a strap and pull him with that little machine. Either way, this thing's going on end in the hole. How's the pucker factor?
it's good, no?
It's good. Everything's fine. Let's let him get another shot at rolling it.
Come on, keep it coming, keep it coming. You got a tattoo last night, you are tougher. Let's see this. Keep it going. Oh. All right, now it's time. Keep it going, don't stop. Another 2 foot. Whoa! Right there's good.
Whoa.
Steve, they're doing it.
I'll say. Go forward with it. Warming up a little.
It is.
What are you gonna do? Come up and over the deck? You're gonna put it up here and then
Huh?
we're gonna slide it all the way across.
Get it up here, turn it, and then just roll it.
What?
The tattoo, baby.
It's all those tattoos, man.
It's the
Bunch of tough guys right here.
all stamped up. Feel that? I mean, I was like,
Nice fucking pump.
dude, it's a shark. It was a shark bite.
Going down, going down.
Now just throw it upside down.
I'm gonna stand here and hold this rake. You guys are doing a good job. Look how well I'm holding this rake. Just get a shovel.
Tattoos
Maybe right there's just a good spot for it.
right inside the cabin.
Yeah, you don't have to worry about it freezing.
You gonna rotate some more or what?
I feel like I'm about to get knocked in the hole right now.
Now,
What?
you gotta put it here.
It's gonna need to go right here.
In here, in this hole. This one right here.
I'm thinking about jumping in this hole, but
You smashed a few in there. You know, professional grade. You guys.
okay.
Steve, I don't know if you really want to do
I
that.
got it.
Are
I
we
got
grabbing
it.
the strap or what are you doing? No?
Oh, no.
It's fine.
Let's grab it in.
Let her rip, tater chip.
Are
He's
you
like
getting out
yelling
of the
for the
hole?
tank.
What are you
It's there.
doing?
Let's go. I'll guide it in. I can hide in a corner. Just a mere fraction of my former self. I fit in the hole nicely. I'm trying to lift it. I'm not doing anything.
Yep.
Let her go.
Like that. It's gonna fall. Okay. Steve,
Yeah.
can you see? I don't want to whip this hook and hit you.
Go ahead. Whip it under there. Whip it.
Reach yet or no?
Whip it real good.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Let's get a little tight on this side.
I got plenty of room over here. Ah! 1, 2, 3.
Oh, it's on my foot.
It's a good thing we cleaned up the roots.
Now we're on the wrong side for crawling out of the hole, Fred.
Can you get out of there, Skinny?
We'll just have to leave Fred in here till he fits. All right, let's go home.
I have to talk somewhere.
Alright, Freddie, get
Plenty of room in there for getting your things.
Right here.
Over here. Come on.
Hey, Freddie, right here.
Oh, that's probably about good.
Oh, no.
It's fine. I hit a dumpster in my house with
What happened?
it. Right down.
You achieved most of your goals, didn't you?
Yeah. I'm getting good at setting them attainably.
Hey, Freddie, take
Yeah.
that dirt and put it here.
No, I think you want 30.
Show for my YouTube friends. Maybe I just take the leaves.
Yeah, I mean,
But I might wait. We got hot dogs. Still got some. We got a receiver trailer. We just put the trailer on the Ranger. We put the tote like right over the axle, so it's not actually got any weight on the Ranger. We hang into this again. It'll be wider than this. I'm gonna throw it.
what's the
I'm
matter?
gonna just make it, I think. Gavin, are you all the way down?
Yeah, pretty close. It's good. Freddie, don't hold your hand in your pockets too much. Might get hurt doing all that work. They don't know what they're talking about.
Watch your face.
Well, you got a tattoo and all, but you still can get cut.
Freddie, don't work too hard on rolling that.
You got an oak tree on his arm.
Well, I got the other roll in case we need it, but I was thinking this would probably get it done. Over here.
Well, according to the guy at the tattoo shop here, he knocked everybody's teeth out of it.
Stuff's expensive too. I use it a lot with my dad. I've had that roll of plastic for 10 years.
Where you want it?
Huh?
Where you want it?
Well, it'll be sitting full of water and
Yeah, you can pull the plastic right.
one side. And just,
Yeah, it'll be fine.
We gotta do our sign off still.
it does.
Everybody has to be in it.
Is that the camera?
Yes.
Bye. Gavin says everyone has to be in it.
Yeah.
We're going home. We have all
No,
the
Freddie's
pla-
not pregnant.
All right. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah, that should be. We should all get our tattoos on the camera.
Oh, you fuck. Good thing you can't throw to save your.
Get him! Get him! Get him!
Steve, he's throwing mud all over the stuff.
It's totally worth
Get
it.
his ass.
Totally worth it.
Get him! You gotta hit him, Freddie. Come on.
Coming in hot.
It just sticks, man.
Not on the ring, sir. Oh, watch the door.
Too many of us. Let's go, Gavin.
It's totally fine.